really just came out here to show y'all my nails. They cute, ain't they? They press-ons. Like, why are y'all spending over $100 getting y'all nails done when y'all can get these for $25, $30, and you could reuse them? Like, be so for real. Not to mention, they like really good quality too. Like, watch this. Y'all see that? Still on, still on. I don't really have nothing I can poke holes through like that. Like, I ain't got no bucks in it. But they like very durable. They come with little sticky pads. All you gotta do, put them on your finger and put the nail on, and that's it. You got you a whole fresh set in like less than 20 minutes. However long it might take you. But yes. Y'all need to, I'm gonna link it down below and y'all could